Okay, let's make some juice. First, clean your carrots. They're nasty. They have dirt. Nobody wants that. To break it down, I don't have a juicer, so this is gonna be our alternative. Ginger, great for the soul, great for your skin. Love, love, love that burning taste. Like, I want to know ginger's there. Not everybody likes it, so add as much as you want. More of the story. Get some orange. Oh, she looks deliciosos. Now, lid her, pop her in. Don't forget your water, like my smart ass. So add around like 2 cups, maybe a little bit more. I kind of eyeball it. So, get her, push her down, get rid of all the liquid from this bad boy. I don't have a lemon squeezer. This is what poverty looks like. Yes. Let's see. It smells very gingery. Cheers. Try this. Highly recommend.